Hello guys, my name is Nick and welcome back to another video. For today's video, I'm pretty excited because for today, I'm going to upgrade, well not actually an upgrade, I'm going to change my PC case. Okay, this is my current PC now that I use for gaming and work. This case is the Asus GT3070, I believe. It's a RTX case. It will fit an RTX motherboard. And the reason I'm changed my case is because I'm not really digging it. It's not really my taste. I don't know why I bought it last year, but hey. For the specs, this is the RTX3070 from Galax. The CPU is the Ryzen 5 3600. 16GB of RAM and an AORUS motherboard. This is the case that I'm changing to. This is the Tecware VXC, as you can see right here. It's a dual chamber case, so it means the power supply is on the side over here, and it can fit an RTX board, MATX or an ITX. Actually, no. Only ATX and MATX. And this case have two tempered glass at the side and the front. For fans, you can fit two 120mm of two 140mm at the bottom or at the top. And you also can fit a 120mm fan at the back. You have the power button, USB-C, two USB 2, a mic and a speaker headphone jack, and a reset and an RGB button. So this is at the back of the case. As you can see, over here is where we install our power supply, and this bracket over here actually can support up to two SSD and two hard drive. Also, these are all the connectors, and it's pretty spacious for cable management. Back to the front side. This side panel is actually magnetic, so you can just open the side panel like this and it can slide. You can slide it over, so when building will be much easier. This is the inside of the case. So before building in this case, I need to disassemble all my components. Hopefully it will not be too hard. I still remember when I built this, it's a bit challenging, especially with the AIO being too big. But I think this case will fit perfectly. Okay, so I finished disassemble all the components. I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty hard. It's pretty hard disassemble all of this, but it worked out. So now I'm gonna start building in this case. Okay guys, I finished building the PC. As you can see, it's all lighted up, nice and red. I got a display out, so yeah, let's play some games. all for today. I'm pretty impressed, not really impressed, satisfied with the result. As you can see, the PC looks fabulous, looks with all the RGB, red RGB, it's look very nice. This is the inside. The reason I plug into the 8X PCIe is because that riser is a PCI Gen 3. So if I plug into the 16X, which is the Gen 4 PCIe, it will not display anything on the monitor. So I must connect that to the 8X connector, so I will get a display. So that's the RAM. The cable management of this case is excellent. I have a lot of room behind of the second chamber, and overall, yeah, I'm pretty happy. Okay guys, thank you for watching. If you dislike the video, you know what to do. If you like the video, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe, ring the bell, and comment below what you think about my PC. And I see you in the next one. Bye.